In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on this Ram 2500. Make sure you have gloves and eye protection for this job because glass will break. Let's get started. One thing you can do to prevent the glass from basically shattering everywhere is to use some painter's tape and just tape over the glass so that if it does happen to crack, at least it doesn't shatter everywhere. Take a trim tool, plastic preferably, stick it right in the back of the mirror, or the glass, and there are two clips right here, so we're gonna pry from the top outward like that. Now it might take quite a bit of force to get this popped off. There we go, this one wasn't too bad. And then there are two hooks on the bottom, which you'll have to slide the mirror upwards in order to get them unhooked. Of course, try not to break the trim. Lean the mirror glass forward, slide it out. This vehicle does have heated mirrors, so I'm going to have to disconnect the connectors for this. Be very gentle because they're very fragile. They can break. If yours are stuck, you can very gently pry the connectors off with something. There we go. So that's one. And the second one. They're both the same, doesn't matter which one goes where. And there is your mirror glass. The new mirror glass should come with these two anti-rattling clips that you'll have to install into the back of the glass. They have two slots that they go into, and all you have to do is slide it in, press it until it's bottomed out all the way. This might be a little tricky, but definitely be careful because you're pressing onto the glass to hold it. There we go, that locked in. This is what it looks like once it's properly installed. Bottomed out here, curved inward at the end with a little bump facing out. You want to do the same thing for the other one on the end, facing the same exact way. So basically a mirror image of that first one. There we go. Now reconnect the wires for the heated mirror assembly if your truck had that. Be very gentle with these. Once again, they are fragile. Make sure those are clicked in. Now at the bottom, these two hooks are what have to hook on to these two holes or cutouts on the motor of the mirror. And then at the top, right up here, you have two tabs that click in. So we're going to tilt this down like that, slide it in, and then push it up, and make sure that it actually lines up. Very gently push it until it clicks, and that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.